I will cut these sheets to cover this box so that it looks clean. So I have chosen these two colors to cover the sides of this box, and this one is for the base, which will come over here. So let's start covering the box. So now I have covered the box with the sheets, and I want to give the front recognition, so I use this black one, and this is the back side, this is the front side. I want to look it more creative, so I'm going to decorate it a little more, and that's how the base looks like. I know it's a little messy, but who cares, like obviously yaar koi bhi base nahi dekhta. So this is how the front looks like. I'm going to decorate it a little bit more. I have pasted it to the box, and now this is how it looks like. So here is the final product. So we have made this pen box from the waste box, and I have decorated it to make it more creative. Now it's ready to place pens, colors, or anything that you want to place in it.
Black pink in your area.